Allison at lunch today? I'm gonna text her. I'm gonna text Allison.
Hey, hold up, Matt's calling me. Matt's calling me. Hey, we got the food and we're on our way right now. Hey, who's coming, bro?
You're the one that needs help.
The California Community College Regional Playoffs here for Northern California, and it's the Santa Rosa Junior College Bear Cubs hosting the Cabrillo College Seahawks. Cabrillo out of Santa Cruz, hoping to come up here on the road and pull off an upset. Meanwhile, the conference MVP, Bobby Sharp, hoping to have a big game against what is known traditionally as a zone defense team. And Bobby Sharp starts things off with a little pop shot from the short corner to get Santa Rosa on the board. Then it's Xavier McCall doing it on the defensive end and turning it into points with the two-handed slam. Santa Rosa goes up quickly 4-0 in front of a nice large crowd here at Hale Pavilion. Santa Rosa continue to work it around against the zone, and Bobby Sharp nails this one to make it 9-1. Head coach Tony Markopoulos for Cabrillo College with his arms crossed, a little frustrated because not much they can do to stop the outside shooting as Alec Cobry comes off the bench and nails a three to make it 12-3 Santa Rosa. Now Cabrillo finally gets it going. Phoenix Bills with a dish out to C.J. Grigg, and he hits one to make it a 7-point game with 11:23 to go in the first half. But Alec Cobry does it again. He gets the screen from Connor Gillette and nails this one from three. It's now 16-5 Santa Rosa. Now it's Connor Gillette getting into the act himself as he turns and scores. Everyone shooting well for Santa Rosa. Now an offensive rebound for Max Fuji. He finds Bobby Sharp open for three, and it's 21-5, and that gets the crowd excited here at Hale Pavilion. Dalton Noble now working the rock for Cabrillo College, finds C.J. Grigg again. Grigg was about all the offense Cabrillo could muster in the first half. Bobby Sharp remaining hot. Check him out, getting a screen from Brian Johnson and nailing another one to make it 23-7. Craig McMillan saying that is the way we like to shoot the ball. Now it's Bobby Sharp to Xavier McCall in the corner. That one hits the bottom of the net, and it's an 18-point lead. Santa Rosa on a roll. Now it's Juwan Hammond getting into the act with a nice little fader as he comes off the bench and makes it 30-11 with 1:30 to go in the half. C.J. Grigg doing it again for Cabrillo, but Santa Rosa's defense doing a great job holding them to just 13 points. It's 32-13 at the half. Second half action, and Santa Rosa remains hot. Xavier McCall in the corner. That's a three, and it's 35-13. Now Colin Gruber out of Aptos High School in Santa Cruz making a nice move here for the Cabrillo Seahawks as he scores to make it 35-15. Max Fuji now in the corner. Another three as the Bear Cubs continue their hot shooting, and Cabrillo takes a timeout. After the timeout, it's Bobby Sharp stepping out from well beyond the arc. Check out where his feet are on that one. 14:55 left, and it's 46-23 Santa Rosa, and Maurice Thompson gives him a standing ovation for that one. Now it's Robert Miles getting this one in the corner for Cabrillo College as finally the Seahawks start to heat up from the outside, but it's 49-28 with 12:25 to go. Here comes Juwan Hammond now driving, getting the bump and the foul. Nice shot there to make it 54-28 Santa Rosa. Colin Gruber up top for Cabrillo, and he gets one to drop. It's 59-31 with 8:30 to play. But Max Fuji takes this pass wide open on the wing, and it is a 31-point lead for Santa Rosa with 5:45 to go, and the crowd starting to thin out just a little bit. Dalton Noble now running the floor for Cabrillo College, finding Dakari White. Nice pass. Dakari White gets his man in the air and scores. Santa Rosa still up big, and the starters come out now with about 3 minutes left. This one is well in hand for Santa Rosa. Guys off the bench doing nice, though. Brendan Chavers hits this one from beyond the arc. Nice move there, and now Cabrillo gets a little highlight film action. Robert Miles dunks this one down, looking good on that one. But it is too little, too late. Santa Rosa Junior College moving on in the state playoffs with a 65-44 win. They will face City College of San Francisco in San Francisco Saturday night.